Salita si Senate President Tito Sotong na kung sakasakali daw na matuloy nga yung impeachment sa House, the Senate will act on it forthwith. Is this a sentiment shared by the majority? This is truth on the line. Mainit din ngayon, Senator, yung impeachment stories, no? And mukhang pinag-uusapan ng mga tao para nagkaroon ng shift yung posisyon ng Malacanang. Sinabi daw ni President Marcos, those who are accountable should be held accountable, similar to the flood control scandal, no? So parang tinitingnan ng mga tao, mukhang open na si President Marcos sa impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte. And nagsalita si Senate President Tito Sotong na kung sakasakali daw na matuloy nga yung impeachment sa House, the Senate will act on it forthwith. Is this a sentiment shared by the majority ngayon sa Senate?
Well, Ami, ako personally, no, ang impeachment is a constitutional responsibility ng Senado. Kung meron man mga impeachment na itatransmit dito, we have to act on it because that's our constitutional mandate. And hindi naman ibig sabihin na kung the Senate will act on the impeachment, guilty na kaagad. In fact, it will give both parties an opportunity to defend themselves and to explain. So it's an opportunity also for the parties to show evidence or the lack of it. And kung wala namang kaso, then madidismiss lang yung kaso. So that's my position because that's our way of making sure that the check and balances are working in our country, and that's our mechanism to make people accountable as well.
Senator, nabanggit niyo na nga, it's a political process na impeachment. And considering the statement, itong pinakabagong statement from Malacanang, although not yet directly from the President, sa tingin niyo malakas yung endorsement power niyan among kasi the last time medyo nag-hesitate yung mga congressmen But that's the 19th Congress. Although marami naman sa kanila na member pa rin ng 20th Congress. Sa tingin nyo, mas madali ngayon kung sakasakali na gagalaw yung impeachment against the Vice President, ha?
Well, I have a different view on that, no? Because yung 19th Congress and the 20th Congress are worlds apart, in my opinion, both in the lower house and the upper chamber. Here in the upper chamber, nakita naman natin mas marami na ang kaalyado ng the Duterte bloc or yung PDP bloc as compared to the 19th Congress. So yan alone, malaking change na dito sa Senado. Even in the lower house, iba yung 19th Congress. When they filed that impeachment case, I know marami silang, aside from the 1/3 na kailangan nila, umabot pa to mga 200 plus signatures.
Yes.
No? So more than 2/3 ng mga congressman ang pumirma. That political scenario might be different now kasi marami ng pagbabago. No? One of which is the flood control issue. Malaking pagbabago yan. At of course, people are looking at the 2028 already. Mga politicians, alam mo yan, nag-iisip yan ng malayo. No? So, I'm sure they're thinking of 2028 and what will happen after 2028. With that mentality in mind, iba rin ang pag-iisip nila pagdating sa impeachment.
Senator, can you expound on that? Sundutin ko lang yun, sabi niyo, yung flood control might affect sentiment sa impeachment. Can you expound on that?
Well, without naming names and going into the details, alam naman natin na maraming mga congressmen rin might be implicated with this control. And big names, we're talking about big names. So that also changes the dynamics within Congress. At the same time, of course, the 2028, medyo malayo pa yung 2028, admittedly, but politicians think very far. No? Pinag-iisipan nila yung 2028 elections, iniisip rin nila post 2028 ano yung scenario doon. So yan mag-iisip rin sila. No, without going into the details, my point of the matter, ang punto ko lang naman dito, yung 19th Congress dynamics is totally iba na ngayon sa 20th Congress dynamics. Kaya yan ang isang bagay na titignan natin.
Senator, yung isa pang tinatanong ngayon, ano, kasi yung impeachment the last time, patapos na yung 19th Congress eh. Ngayon, nag-umpisa pa lang yung 20th and the start of the second half of the president's term. Sa timing, tama ba sa tingin nyo o makakatulong o mas makakapagpahirap na we are actually approaching an election year na, by 2027 election year na yan eh.
Next year, ang filing of candidacy is October of 2027, no? So, actually, malapit na yan. Ako, ang pag-iisip ko dyan is the strength of the evidence. Depende yan sa ebidensya. Kung ebidensya talaga ang daming, kung ebidensya talaga obvious na obvious, then I think the politicians will also can be swayed to pursue that evidence. Pero depende yan, no? Depende yan kung gaano katibay yung ebidensya niya. Kung ebidensya niya talaga sobrang tibay, then may mga tao rin na gustong magkaroon ng accountability. Pero kung tingin nila purely political lang, I'm sure mag-iisip yan many times before peperma sa isang impeachment case.
Actually, na sinasabi nga ng ibang tao, kapag overwhelming daw yung evidence, hindi daw, syempre isipin din ng mga politiko, baka naman hindi rin magustuhan ng tao, di ba? Na you have to, kung sakasakali man, you have to vote against. Pero based on what people are seeing.
Yes. Especially now kasi ang general sentiment ng tao, galit ang tao sa corruption. No, ang tao talaga talagang may kumbaga hate and anger towards corruption. Kaya kung daming na yung evidence mo, talagang obvious na obvious, tapos hindi ka pa gagalaw, yung tao talaga lalong parang binubuhusan mo pa ng gasolina yung apoy.
Senator, can we say na ito ang sentimiento ng majority sa Senate? Kung sakasakali lang makarating sa Senate yung impeachment, yan kaya ang magiging posisyon ng majority na, well, let's hear the evidence first and then tingnan natin kung ano mangyari. Ganyan kaya yung mangyari.
Well, personally, I think, alam mo naman to, nakita nyo rin, the dynamics dito nag-change rin. No? Dati, nung bagong senador ako, minority, normally, 2 o 3 tao. Ngayon, we have an 8-member minority. So, malaking minority rin dito sa Senado. So, that alone, iba na yung dynamics kaagad. No? So, it really boiled down to the evidence that will be presented.
But it won't be that easy sa Senate. Is that what you're saying, Senator?
Well, ang aking analysis kasi dahil nag-iba na rin yung dynamics dito, pwede ring iba na rin ang magiging titignan, o iba rin yung pangungusap na mangyayari dito sa Senado. So, pwede mo rin sabihin yun, pwede mo rin sabihin na magiging mas, kumbaga mas madetalye ang magiging takbo dito.
Kasi mas maraming pro-Duterte na nanalo, ano? Mas marami ngayon, no?